Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Flamenco Coach. I'm Belinda Retamal, your flamenco coach. My mission is to help other flamenco dancers like myself learn how to improvise for Bulerías Por Fiesta more easily. In today's video, what I want to teach you is a short 6-count remate, and after I teach you the remate, we're going to practice it and then we're going to dance it to a letra. We're going to dance it improvisation style, so we'll listen to a Bulerías song and then we'll put in the 6-count remate at the end of the second sung line whenever the singer sings the second sung line, and that is the caída. So it's the drop in tone at the end of the second sung line. One of the most difficult parts I have found, and I know other dancers have found when it comes to improvising for Bulerías Por Fiesta, is knowing when to come in with the remate. One of the reasons for that is if we're not so familiar with the letra and how the singing works, we're not really sure what we're listening out for a start. So that doesn't help. But once we have actually learnt how a letra works and what the sung lines are and when to expect them, then what we just want to be doing is deciding on if we're going to put in a 6-count remate or a 12-count remate. And then what we want to be doing is fitting it into the letra whenever the singer comes in with the second sung line, and that's what we're going to be practicing today. The aim of this video today, as well as teaching you a fun short 6-count remate, is to just practice putting that remate in with the caída. The remate can be used in different places throughout the letra, so there are a few different options where you can put it in, but today what we're going to practice is just putting it with the caída, and that's one way of getting used to coming in with your remate at a really good time. Let's go ahead and learn the step. First I will show you the 6-count remate we are going to do. Okay, so that is with the counts. If we're coming in at the end of the compás, it's going to start on count 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'll just face the back and let's run through the footwork and the counts and what we are doing with our hands. So we're starting with a stamp on the left on count 6. We have 6. Then we're doing a heel on count 7 with the left. 6, 7, 8. So there's going to be 2 heels on the left. So stamp, heel, heel on the left foot. 6, 7, 8. And on the and count, so in between the 6, 7, 8, we're doing a clap and a slap. So we're going to have a stamp on the 6 and then a clap on the and. Then the heel goes on the 7, and then we're bringing up our right leg and doing a slap on the and, which is the and after the 7. We have 6 and 7 and 8. So that's the first part of the remate. Let's do that one again. 6 and 7 and 8. After that, we're going to be doing 2 stamps on the right, another stamp on the left, and another stamp on the right. So that is stamp, 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 stamp. And the counts for those stamps will be and 9 and 10. And so on the 10, we're going to bring our left leg up and over for count 11. We're going to bring it down on count 11, and then we can step out on count 12 to go into our next lot of dancing, which might be marking or something else. So those counts and the feet again are and 9 and 10, 11, 12. Let's put that with the beginning of the remate. So we had 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10. Okay, so it's 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10. So what I'm doing with my arms on the and 9 and 10, 6, 7, 8. So on the 8, I've got my right arm coming up a little bit and my left arm's going down. And then we have and 9 and 10. So my arms have switched over. And then on this one, I'm bringing it, my foot down, and then the arms are coming back around to coincide with the turn for count 12. We have 6, 7, 8, and 9 and 10. on the 10, I'm going to accent with my arm as well. So after they've come around, we're here, and 10. And that can give it a bit of accent, a bit of punch. And on the 10, we will swing around from the audience, so we'll face our back to the audience, and then we can continue with some marking. I'll put on some solo compás and we can practice that remate just to get the step into our body, and we know what we're doing with the footwork and the slaps and the claps. And I'll do 2 lots of solo compás. We'll do a slow one, then a slightly faster one, and then after that I will put on some Bulerías music and I'll just improvise along with some simple marking. And when I hear the singer coming in with the second sung line, when it's the caída, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that's when I'm going to do our 6 count remate. Okay, this is the slow solo compás. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we're going to come in with our 6 count remate on the count 6. I'll face the back so you can copy along. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12, 1, 2, 3. This one's a slightly faster solo compás. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we'll do the same again. We'll come in on count 6. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3, 4, 5. 12, 1, 2, 3. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're just going to improvise. How did you go practicing that remate and improvising it with the letra? Do let me know in the comments if you gave it a go and how you found it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to, in my next video, teach a 12 count remate and do the same exercise where we're going to put in the 12 count remate to fit in with the letra. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting some more videos all about Bulerías Por Fiesta and how to improvise more easily. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!